I'm Smithy. You know it's a Contiki. I better take my glasses with me because I'll leave them there because I'll break them otherwise. I'm going to video this lad doing his. He's got you're playing a fiddle. Anyway, what's this?
I'm sure I thought I recognised you, you know.
Bloody hell, yeah. That's exactly.
What's your name, sir?
Lawrence.
Lawrence, yeah.
Golden Lion. Would you believe it? I'm in there every
Coral, they're a great band. That's Merseybeat Coral. Brilliant band.
I've brought the camera out now.
Nice one.
It's 360 degrees, so it doesn't matter where I point it.
Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's all right, that, isn't it? Load up on guns and tell your friends it's fun to lose and to pretend. She's overboard and self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Hello, 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 hello.
It's alright on playing, but he's got a bit of work to do on singing.
Yeah, singing needs a bit of...
With the lights out, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertain us. I feel stupid and contagious. Here we are now, entertain us. I'm a mulatto, an albino, a mosquito, my libido, hey!
Oh, if I'd have had a few beers, I'd be dancing. Can't fire.
Hey, what's your lot?
You do open mic night, don't you? Tuesdays with Matty.
Yeah. I used to, yeah.
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 Matty.
Say hello, Lawrence.
Mates. Hello, Lawrence.
Lawrence's van.
Lawrence's van.
I'm Nick the Fiddle, by the way. I'm available for weddings, funerals, bar mitzvahs, and other corporate events, especially corporate events.
Can we just have a look around the outside of your outfit?
Of course you can.
Is that alright?
Yes. Especially corporate events and weddings.
It's alright, is that?
Yeah.
It's a long time ago since I had a trailer tent.
Yeah.
People like you always have a dog.
I don't, not yet, I might have to one though.
That's for street work. When you do it on the street, that's how you need a dog.
Yeah, yeah. You need a
so this goes on the back of your trailer?
That's, yeah.
Yeah,
the whole
that's,
thing does. That's your kitchen. And you've got your bedroom, etc.
Right.
And your 4 female friends.
I like that.
Cheers, buddy.
Hey, look at that, Lawrence.
Yeah, no, he's shading it. What are you saying? It's shag coffee pot for one.
Can you get enough in it?
Oh yeah, yes.
You're not asking to make a brew for all of us.
All coffees, posh coffees are based on that. One espresso shot. And you just add your milk and your sugar.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's it.
I'm a powdered milk fan, me, you know.
Yeah. You can stick that in, no bother. That's your base.
So you stick all your milk and sugar in that, or do you put it in after?
No, you just put you get your coffee, then
just
you serve it out. Yeah, and
coffee
then you
just
add
water.
whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you get a milk frother, then you've got your cappuccino.
Do you have a pint pot, like?
Yeah.
It's alright, is that?
I mean, you can boil your own piss. But that's
you need some, what's it? You need some lenses.
Survival. Oh yes.
Yeah. You know what, I think my son's got one of these tables for me.
These are great, actually.
Aluminium.
I'll bring it round with him.
My John says he's got one in garden for me. He works at Mocha Metals.
What do you tow it with?
Well, it was his brother.
What?
His brother was towing it.
Yeah,
but brotherly love, they have a bit of a tiff.
Driving okay?
Oh. Huh?
Let's go, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're lightweight aluminium, you see.
Yeah. Hang on.
It's alright, isn't it?
It's a water bike,
and this came with the van. The fella bought it off, and loads of accessories that he got, and he said
that's the difference between buying it off someone private and buying it from a dealer. Because like my van, they'll take everything out of it.
Yeah, sell everything.
Somebody private, you'll just get everything with it.
Yeah.
Everything they bought for it.
Yeah, on eBay, nice fellow on eBay.
Yeah.
From York.
We went in van at York at Nurseries Caravan Park, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nurseries Caravan Park we stayed at.
Is that near the maze? Have you ever heard of the York Maze?
I've no idea.
Amazing.
They had a big sign up saying ring for this free taxi to get to York, so we rang for a taxi, went to York, couldn't get a taxi back.
Bishop Court House Camp, that's the trick. For Lane. For Lane, Bishop Court House Camp. That's got big time now.
So what van have you? You've got a van there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Do you mind if we have a look?
Well, look at the proper van. It's all more of it.
Come on, Lawrence, let's have a look at this van.
Have a look at a proper van.
What's he got there? See, as long as he's got a CB, he's got a CB, hasn't he? You got a CB, Lozza?
What's up, mate?
CB.
Where's the TV?
CB.
Have a look at a proper van.
CB, Citizens Band Radio.
Oh, CB?
CB,
I
yeah.
thought you said CV.
No.
You want to bloody put your teeth back in.
Big taxi drivers, they'd have a CB.
CB.
There you go.
Yes.
Go and look at this van. Here, I went for something to eat today.
Yeah.
And I said to that woman, because we were sat in the middle of the place, and I said, can I not sit in that table over there?
You know what you were saying before about being light?
Yeah. Alright. No, but do you know what she said to me? She said, I'll have to clean it first. I said, no, that's not the answer. What do you mean? I said, the answer is, of course you can sit there, sir. Let me just clean it for you.
Yeah.
She said, well, it's been an hard day today. Right, fair enough.
Yes.
I've cleaned this carpet half a dozen times.
Oh, I do it, yeah, every time.
In once.
It's this stuff here that we stood on.
Go in, have a look.
Hey, this is interesting.
That's alright, isn't it?
This has been about a bit, hasn't it?
You haven't got a
Well-
light, have you?
Got what?
A light?
Light.
Yeah. It'll just be dark. That's alright, is that? Yeah, look at all the stuff.
See, that's my alarm. But when I say about that, it'll go off on the day now.
Yeah.
Watch this light here. I had the same system on that combo. I think he could on a lot of bamboozles.
Well, do you know what? There's a guy on YouTube made videos, and I think he's actually sold the van, but two lads pulled up on a bike and pulled his mirror off.
Yeah.
Well, if he'd have had that,
Yeah.
he might have, you know.
Five was a sec nano and fiver and a
Trail
switch.
camera that you lent me.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Well, I went and bought one for 95 quid.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Because the one that I bought a trail camera, but it stopped working after about 3 times.
Oh, yeah.
Does yours still work?
Yeah, yeah.
You're not taping me, are you?
No.
Good.
No, because I can edit it out, it's alright. I'll just put the good bits in.
Because I can't say this, what
That's
I'm going
all
to say on tape.
No, I'll edit it out. Let me turn it off then.
Five to my phone.
So that's your bed right at the back. You've got everything you want in here, really, haven't you?
Everything I want. Wardrobe.
So how long have you had it like this then? A while.
I built it like this, yeah, about 14, 15 months ago.
Right.
I've constantly altered
Yeah,
all the time.
It's alright, I like that.
It looks like it's had a hell of a lot more use, doesn't it? Really?
Lived in.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Well, I live in it all
there's
the
the
time,
skylight.
95% of the time. It's what?
Go look.
There's the sky.
Yeah, I've seen
I
it.
was looking
It's all
this
right,
morning.
isn't it?
Yeah. I live in it 95%.
What van is it? It's
Yeah.
Is it a Fiat? Oh, Renault. Renault Master.
Solar panel on top.
Solar on roof.
Just gonna go and get some petrol, fellas. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
No problem, mate.
You know what nearest garage is?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
The thing is, like I said, if you had 10 vans parked up, every one would be different.
It'll be different.
Yeah.
Everybody's got different ideas.
Yeah.
It's like I tell people when they're on about building a van, 'cause every time
Yeah,
you go,
yeah.
I'm thinking of building, I said, well, before you do anything, get yourself a seat, go in back of the van, get yourself a seat and sit down and think,
And plan it, yeah.
what do we want?
Just look at 10, 20 videos.
Well, that one that I did,
Take the
that
best
Transit
of
Connect,
each.
I only made it as a day van, if you
Yeah.
will, so I could go out for days
Yeah.
out. And what I did, I built a couch like that from one end to the other, and I used the cushions in caravan, because it had armrests going round the corner, so you had armrests at each end, and like, I could have a sleep in it, you know, afternoon. It's not like an afternoon nap, mate.
Well, this was my first Vauxhall combo.
I always wanted a Ford Transit.
This was my first one. Vauxhall combo.
Oh yeah.
I had that for 6 years. That.
Well, that's about the same size as Transit Connect.
Yeah, it was a bit smaller actually. Two of us slept in that.
Wow.
And now I've got a bigger, I'm doing fucking one of me. I don't know what's happened.
There you go.
Something happened there, but
You must have been too far apart.
yeah, she's in with
60 and still chasing women, but only downhill.
No, no, yeah.
Yeah, I can't chase them up anymore.
You got to catch you up. Should we go and have a brew in my van?
I went one the other night, I said, I can't manage. She said, hang on, I'll get on top of you. I said, well, if it won't
In
work
car
fucking
recording.
downhill, it's going to work uphill.
What a sight though, eh? All recycling you want. Toilets, everything. He shuts early now, doesn't it, Burger
Why did
thing?
you have that bar there?
Whoa, there's a story behind that.
Oh.
Story behind that. It's brand new, that's been on about 4 or 5 weeks, that. I'm stood here this morning, there's like there's a Benton, there's an agricultural sale, it must be fucking Tuesdays. Like a pickup truck comes in, one of them cattle trailer things, I'm like, let's go at that. Oh, it's fucking good there, bang! Bent it to
Thought
fuck.
you'd been
Good.
hit.
Fucking hit it, bent it to fuck.
Good.
Nice one.
Yeah, I thought,
It shouldn't be on there. I thought, what?
Yeah, well, they were doing some work there because they had that closed off and loads of bags in front of it.
This a month ago were blocked off.
And that one was closed off.
They've actually stopped camping on here. This was blocked off with lock on there, and that sign there has been turned around as an overnight park.
Well, there you go. That is how van life should be. I only knew Lawrence, by the way. I've shown you around Lawrence's van before. Did I put ex-soldier converts his van? And anyway, yeah, he rang me up. He said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Well, now." He said, "Well, why don't you come and stop on Bullbeck, Caton?" So I said, "All right then." And when I turned, there's a big gang of people there. Anyway, we had a good laugh, and obviously they let me see around their vans. That's how it should be. Can you imagine pulling somewhere and the guy gets his fiddle out and starts playing it, although his singing needs a bit of work. But yeah, we had a good laugh. It was good fun, to be fair. Why is that like that? And that should be over there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed our bit of fun. There's more fun to come, because obviously I'm not busy now at the minute. I am in the daytime, so at night time it's a bit easier. I can get out at night time. I need to meet Mr. Daz P1 and Northern Pickers for some advice on gold panning, and so we have been in touch. So that's coming up in the not too distant future. And anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to have some sausage sandwiches, believe it or not, and but the less fat sausage. I'm going to fry them in what do you call it? 1 cal olive oil spray. Anyway. Told you I'd changed my diet. Right, anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed everything I've just shown you. It's all fun, isn't it? We had a good laugh, and you meet people you would never see in life, all because I have a van, Lawrence had a van, and they had a van. You've got something in common already. Anyway, take care, stay safe, be lucky, and Smithy and his little Contiki will definitely see you again. See you again. Bye-bye.